Okay, they're already a family naman as husband and wife, but they will never be complete without, okay, a son or a daughter, diba? Kaya mo, Ken? Sunod buwan? Okay. And next to that is first wish, Patuno, I only have 3 wishes. First wish, have a child for them. Second wish is for their family to be blessed with only the good things in life. And resilience to whatever problems that might come your way, because life is not always bed of roses. No, nandiyo na yung mga obstacles, challenges, but I know with Ken's attitude, and the way I see Angelie, they really complement each other. Di ba? Mura o, sakto din sila pagpaparis, no? They complement nila ang mga personalities.
Sir Ricky, sunod.
Di ba? Kaya ko pangutana, kaya ko pangutana, no? Kaya ko pangutana ni Angelie, what is there in Ken that you love? Unsa may naan ni Ken kaya ka. Mawala na ka pa, pakasal ni mo.
Daghan man kayo, ma'am. Many to mention. Ken is actually a sweet guy. He's very good with words. Mubalak ni si Jan. O kanan magpa-sweet-sweet. And also, best thing that I love about Ken is he really has a growth mindset na when we talk about things, he's very open as to how we process it, what can we do about it. Yun, ano siya, marang isang mag-away, may, di man namang nood. So, ano siya, in our relationship, there was never a point nga ako nahinamduman nga niabot siya sa point of leaving me. Maski unsa ko ka magita usahay na naman. Ako mga mood swings. Wala ko kadumog dyan yung alingon siya magbuwag ka. Wala na dyan ako nadumog. Wala kabiliban pa na akong Ken. Kanya, yes, he has imperfections, but alongside with that, dagan kapagay siya good things. Not only to me, but also to the people around him. And I think that's the very thing that I love about him. Aside sa, wapo manong bana.
Okay, thank you very much. Very candid and devout, no? And it's very kind of honest, from the heart. Okay? Ang tatanaw mo na lang doon ba? Isa mo,